Oh my god. It's so hot. It's like an oven outside. As soon as you go outside, there's a hot air just comes into your face. And the floor is boiling. So I decided to put some water. Any move, please? See, not much water coming out either. So we don't burn. Because like everywhere now, all these houses are burning. And the bushes. They should be watering the plants everywhere. Not just when there's a fire. Stupid chili. And Ellie. Ushi doesn't even want to play touch water. Bloody wuss. What a wuss. No, and Ellie, look at her. Ellie, want to shower?
No.
I would be saying yeah.
Mommy.
What?
You're doing what?
Sun is up there. Burning everyone. It's so hot that there's a fire over there. There's literally it smells and there's no one outside. I don't hear anybody. Maybe everyone's burning. Oh no. The sun is burning. Look how orange it is. The sun is super bright. It's blinding. Look at the color. Oh man. My eyes are blinded because of that. I can't see anything but the sun. Fuck off, fly. I can see a fly. It is red. Look at it. It's like Akuna Matata. Go away, son. You're not welcome. Oh my god, it's super red over there. That's not yellow, that's red. Red. That's red, that's not yellow.